Are you stuck in an industry that's going downhill? Are you stuck at an income level that's not going to get you to the places and the dreams you want? So let's talk product and program. Hi, I'm Jane Stuckey and a planner by profession. Can you relate to an income that's stagnated? Can you relate to inflation that is just eating away at your savings? If you're looking for alternatives, additions, we're in business. You need a product that's going to stay high in demand and even increase in demand. So it has to be in an industry that is growing. Do you know what that industry is? Secondly, you need a program. You need to learn new skills. You have to have support. Education is everything. Education is power. And education right now is done through the digital platforms. eLearning, that's your product. If millions of people are using eLearning to up their skills, why not you? But upping your skills can be an extremely lonely road. And that is why you need us, the digital growth community. You're a business owner building your own business, but you're not building it alone. Join the community and you will have access for free to mentoring online, replays, and even one-on-one sessions with a mentor. And just as an add-on, this mentor has made the bucks. So you're not learning from a junior, you're learning from a guru. If what I've just told you makes sense, put yes in the comments and I'll see you in my automated system.